Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the Cozy English Podcast. This is a warm and friendly place to practice real English. Today, we learn English for work.
Yes. How do native speakers talk at work? What phrases do they use every day in the office? If you work, or if you want to work in English in the future, this episode will help you a lot.
This is an A2 to B1 English level lesson, so relax. We use clear, simple English.
Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and write a comment to practice your English with us.
Quick question. Do you want to work with English in your job someday? Tell us in the comments.
Adeline, how do you start your workday?
I arrive at work. I say good morning to my coworkers. Then I check my email. How about you?
I get a coffee. Then I start my tasks.
Nice. Here are useful work phrases. Every morning at work, I arrive and say good morning to my team with a big smile. Then I ask my colleague, how are you today? Because it is a friendly way to start the day. After that, I sit at my desk and I check my email to see any new messages or tasks. When everyone is ready, the manager says, let's start. This means it is time to begin working. Sometimes I ask, what's the plan today? To know what we will do and what jobs are important.
Repeat after us. Good morning.
How are you today?
Let's start.
If you say these every day, your work English will grow fast.
In many jobs, we talk with coworkers. We use short, friendly questions.
Yes, friendly talk is important. It makes work feel better. Here are easy small talk questions. How was your weekend? Did you have a good day? Do you need help? That looks great. I like your idea.
Pronunciation tip. Say project, not project. Mini story example.
Today we have a project. The deadline is Friday. We have a meeting at 10. Then we take a break at 11. Very busy day.
Wow, that is a real work day.
You do not need perfect English to work. You only need useful phrases. Here are some. Can you help me? Can you explain this? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Thank you for your help.
Mini practice. Repeat after me. Can you help me?
I don't understand.
Thank you for your help.
See? Very simple English works great at work.
At work, I always finish early.
Really?
Yes, I finish early. In my dreams.
Haha. English learning can be fun too.
When we work in an office or online, we use many helpful expressions. For example, if someone calls and we are busy, we can say, I will call you back. When we need a short wait, we say, 1 moment, please. In online meetings, sometimes a person speaks, but we cannot hear them, so we say, you are on mute. If we need to show something on the computer, we ask, please share the screen. And when we finish working on a file, we can say, I will send the document. These expressions make communication easier at work. Mini call example.
1 moment, please. I will call you back. You are on mute.
Perfect for online work.
6 work meetings. What do we say? Work meetings can be scary in English, but don't worry, we will help you.
Here are common meeting phrases. At work, meetings are very important. We often start by saying, "Let's start the meeting." Then, someone can give the topic, like, "Today we will talk about our new project." During the district, the leader may ask, "Any questions?" When someone has a suggestion, we can respond with, "I agree," if we like it, or politely say, "I don't agree, maybe another idea?" If a suggestion is really good, we can say, "Good idea." Using these phrases helps everyone understand each other and work better together. Practice. Repeat after me. Let's start the meeting.
Any questions?
I agree. Good idea.
Great job, friends! Sometimes we need to share our opinion. We can do it politely. Useful opinion sentence starters. I think. Maybe we can. I feel that. In my opinion. What if we. Mini conversation example.
I think we need more time.
Maybe we can ask for help.
Good idea.
See? Very friendly and natural.
If you have a question, ask it. Asking is smart. Use these. When working on a project, it is important to ask questions to understand everything clearly. For example, we can ask, "What should I do next?" to know our next task. Sometimes we need to know responsibilities, so we ask, "Who is responsible for this task?" To manage time well, we also ask, "When is the deadline?" If we cannot find information, we ask, "Where is the file for the project?" And to understand the reason for a task, we can ask, "Why do we need this document?" Asking these questions helps. We have a meeting right now.
The deadline is tomorrow.
We finished the project this week.
Nice!
At work, we should support each other. Say kind words. Useful phrases. At work, it is important to encourage and appreciate your teammates. When someone finishes a task well, you can say, "Great job." To show general appreciation, you can say, "Thank you for your work." When someone completes something successfully, you can celebrate with, "You did it." If a teammate shares a creative idea, you can support them by saying, "I like your idea." And when starting a group task, you can invite cooperation with, "Let's work together." Using these phrases helps create a positive and supportive work environment. Mini dialogue.
Great job, James.
Thank you. You too.
Teamwork makes the dream work. It's okay to have problems at work. Just explain them clearly and politely. Useful sentences. There is a problem. Something is not working. I need more time. I have a question. Let's fix this. Mini story.
There is a problem. Something is not working. Let's fix this.
Sounds like every Monday.
Let's review. Repeat after us. Good morning. I agree. Can you help me? Great job. What should I do next?
Excellent. You are learning real English for real life. Listen carefully. I will say a short work story. Good morning, team. Today we have a meeting at 9. Let's start the project this week. Can you help me with the task? Great job, everyone. Questions.
1. What time is the meeting? 2. What do they start this week?
You can answer in the comments. Work is not only meetings and projects. We also have break time, coffee.
Yes, break time English is simple and friendly. Common break time phrases. In the office, coworkers often talk in a friendly way. For example, someone might ask, "Do you want a coffee?" to offer a drink. When everyone is working hard, a teammate may say, "Let's take a break." It's also common to check in with each other by asking, "How's your day going?" Sometimes people need energy, so they say, "I need a snack." And when someone feels low or sleepy, they might say, "I'm tired today." These small phrases help coworkers stay connected and support each other during the day. Let's take a break.
Good idea. Do you want a coffee?
Yes, please. How's your day going?
It's busy, but good. Simple, everyday English. Very natural.
Lunchtime is a great moment to practice English. It's friendly, light, and fun. Useful phrases. What are you eating? Do you want to eat together? Where do you want to go? This food is delicious. I need some fresh air. Mini story example.
At lunchtime, I say, "Do you want to eat together?" We walk outside and get sandwiches. The weather is nice. We talk about our day. It feels relaxed.
A perfect break from work.
Sometimes your manager asks, "What's the update?" This means, what is happening now? What did you finish? What is new? Useful update sentences. I finished the task. I am working on it. I will finish soon. I need more time. I sent the email. I am waiting for a reply. Mini example.
What's the update, Adeline?
I finished the report. I sent the file. I will start the next task soon.
Perfect update.
Being polite is very important at work. Use these magic words. Please,
Meeting.
project.
Email.
Great.
Now it's your turn. Answer in the comments. Question 1. What time do you start work or school? Question 2. What do you usually say to coworkers in the morning?
And say your answers out loud too. Speaking helps you learn faster. Good morning, James.
Good morning, Adeline. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I'm checking my email. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. What's the plan today?
We have a meeting at 9. Let's start the project this week.
Great. Any tasks for me?
Yes. Can you help me with the report?
Of course. When is the deadline?
The deadline is Friday. I will send you the file.
Perfect. Let's take a break first. I need a coffee.
Same. Let's go. How's your day going so far?
Busy, but good. After the break, we work on the project.
Good idea. And later we give an update to the manager.
Yes, we can say, I finished the task. I am working on it, or I need more time.
Exactly. Okay, break time is over. Let's start the meeting.
Any questions?
No questions. Let's do this.
Teamwork.
Wow, you learned so much today. Work English can feel difficult, but with simple phrases, you can speak confidently.
Yes, today you learned morning greetings, meeting phrases, asking questions, giving updates, break time English, one full workplace conversation.
You did amazing. Remember, your English does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear, simple, and friendly.
And you practiced real English that native speakers use every day. Step by step, you are getting stronger.
Before you go, if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
And write in the comments, I am ready for work English. We want to cheer for you.
And remember, you didn't waste time. You invested in your English.
See you in the next Cozy English Podcast episode.
Bye, friends!